Can you use Blu-Tack instead of a kneaded eraser? Let's compare them. I'll erase the same things using a regular eraser, a kneaded eraser and Blu-Tack to see how they perform. I'll draw some lines and do shading with a hard pencil, a softer pencil and a charcoal stick. And now we can erase with the regular eraser first. It leaves a lot of eraser dust, but erases through all of these pretty well. Now let's try the kneaded eraser. This is a 135 GSM sketchpad with very slight texture. These might perform a bit differently on more textured or untextured paper. For the charcoal, I'm gonna use my old kneaded eraser to not get charcoal all over the new one right away. I'm also trying to form a sharp point with the kneaded eraser to erase a thinner line. I think molding it into a sharp edge would work better than a point. Let's try Blu-Tack next. It's kind of hurting my hand because it's such a small piece, but this is all I could find. It's looking pretty similar to how the kneaded eraser worked. I was wondering if it leaves the paper sticky or something, but I don't feel it here. This doesn't really keep the fine tip shape either, but it seems to hold the sharp edge. It's also not just smudging the dark graphite around, which is what I was worried about as well. The charcoal one isn't really a fair comparison since I used the dirty kneaded eraser on it. I'm just gonna rip out the charcoal from the Blu-Tack to keep it cleaner. But it looks legit to me. The price of a kneaded eraser and Blu-Tack are pretty similar, so you're not necessarily saving money either way, unless you already have some Blu-Tack, of course, or you find a good deal. This is the new, hardly used kneaded eraser afterwards compared to the oversaturated old one. But where did the Blu-Tack go? Let's rewind a bit. Did I actually knead it inside the kneaded eraser? I'm so dumb. I guess I'll be using a kneaded eraser and Blu-Tack combo from now on. But once your kneaded eraser gets really dirty, I wonder what would happen if you tried cleaning it with soap. I'm gonna try it in this video here. See you there.